Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I make my little cotton rounds or cotton pads fire starters. Now you've probably seen this a bunch of times from different folks. I believe Andy makes them, and SD Mountain Man, and James G. A bunch of guys make them. But again, this is just my take. And a little special, we're going to be using 100-year-old beeswax that I was so generously gifted by my friend Sunset Bay Bonnie. So this beeswax is 100 years old, okay? So what I do is I mix beeswax and I mix Vaseline with it. And what I do is, just use my finger here, I just get a glob, about the same size as the beeswax. Throw it into a little can, and I'm going to melt this. When it's done melted, I'll be back and we'll fix them up. Alright, so we have our wax melted. What I do is, for that amount, you might be able to get 3 out of it, maybe more. So I'll place 2 down, take 1, drop it in. Let it drip off, and I take it and place it on the other ones. Alright, now I just press this down. Looking good. Alright, so now I'll let that dry and then I'll be back. Alright, so they dried up. What I like about these is they're not super brittle like just pure wax, and they're not as sticky and gooey as just pure Vaseline. It's the perfect medium in between. And in a pinch, if you had some metal that was exposed to some moisture, you're out there and you don't have any oil or anything, you can use this in a pinch. All right, so how I like to use this is I just fluff up. And you can use anything to fluff it up. Stick. I happen to be using my striker. And of course I have a Nathan 4071 ferro rod. Look at this thing, 3/4 of an inch, with a handle turned by Nathan himself, the master turner. Look at this. Look at this beautiful grain in this wood. All right, so let's give it a shot. It always takes one shot with these things. They just go up. And I tested it. I think they lasted, I know they lasted over 4 minutes. So it's plenty to go, plenty of time to get your fire going. And then I like to put a couple little pieces of wood underneath it. And then I like to, wait till it gets going good, and then I'll start piling stuff on top. But I'm going to save that for a Fire It Up Friday. So hopefully you enjoyed this, folks. See how easy it is to make. Like I said, dollar store stuff, and some wax. You can use whatever you got. Old candles, used birthday candles, pretty much anything will work. But these are special because they have 100-year-old beeswax. So thanks for coming along, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you all are staying safe out there. And I really, really appreciate you all. And we'll see you on the next one.